And keep your eyes on what inside the carriage.
Oh wow.
Seated.
I say I've not been on a coaster like this before. Clearly my favourite coaster in the world is a little bit like this.
Favourite one for spinning. This one's not obviously quite a happiness, but it doesn't go upside down, but it spins.
I mean that's like a religious experience when it does that, isn't it? Is that child asleep? Whee! Oh.
Oh, spin.
Should we go around again?
Yeah.
Nice. I think I could get on Edward on this, maybe. I always say to him, look how young the children are that are on that ride. So you should give it a go.
You'll be getting the right pattern before you know it.
I'm gonna get my mum on it. The last couple of times, she was like looking at like Heidi longingly. I was like, do you want to go on that, mum? And she's like, yeah, can I?
It's good fun. I like that.
It's quite forceful and smooth again, so.
Yeah.
Whee!
When I'm spinning.
Aw. Again!
If you want to go again, you can stay on.
I'm okay, thank you.
Let's go again.
Yeah, we'll go again. I'm not doing anything else, are we? Do you know?